Hello everyone. So today we're gonna show you how to get a logo for your business. For instance, your YouTube channel. Um, Logo is part of the basic structure to, like Apple by when you see the Apple, that design for the Apple, it's Apple product. When you see Amazon sign, uh, like on the road, the trucks have that Amazon sign. It's Amazon. When you see the sign, it's Amazon. So your customers will identify you by your logo, mostly your name, which is part of your logo. So you need an account with Canva.com, and there are many other websites. There's Logo Maker, MAKR, not MAKER.com. So you see, you can get a logo on Logo Maker too. So, but for today, we're gonna do on Canva. So when you log in, you can use your Gmail account to sign up, or you can create a basic an account with Canva by putting in all your information. So you can, on the top right here, you see create design, or you can search on the search bar in the middle here, and when you type logo, you see this is the first, because of I put LO, so logo is the first one here, and then there's the main down here, the main page here, there's a logo here too, so you can search whatever. I believe because we searched is when it came as the first one there. So create logo, so the logo will be 500 by 500 pixels. So now you are on the main page here for creating a logo, and we have the templates on the top left here. So you have templates, you have uploads, you have photos, you have elements, you have text, you have videos, whatever you need here, because videos is for if you're doing like a post for Facebook or Instagram. So I recently used this, and then for you and the Facebook shops, so you can search here if you need something that's specific to your company or your business: animated logo, gaming logo, battery logo, art design logo. So this is pretty much everything. So I like that. I like this one too. This one, and you can see it's free on the bottom right here. It says free. So some are for pro, you have to pay. I think I've used this before, and this one I think I've used before. So you just choose whatever you like. So this is the one that I'm gonna use for this. So I would say we're creating logo for this YouTube channel, which is 21st Century. So you can change here. Let's choose this. Choose that, and probably will put like 32, and we need to change the fonts. So with the fonts here, the kind of fonts, and then the size, and then the color, and there's this bold, italic, and how you wanna align it. And they have other effects here too, position, if you want a color and all that. So I will use this Anton because 21st century information is a little long. So let's put in 21st, like that, and then century. That's good. And you're gonna put information down here because it's a little bit a longer word. So the font will choose 32 too, but we'll also choose the Anton fonts, and then we write information. Okay, that looks okay, and we can change the shape. You can keep it if you want it, but we want to change, and we have the photos and the elements. So we need the photos here. You see we have photos. So I need something for the art, the globe, because you're nurturing information. You can use a plant too here, it's free. And the heart information about everything. So you're nurturing a plant here too, somebody with a plant on their hand. So I think I like this. So it's free too, you see they are free, most are free here. And this one they have pro version. This is like just the soil on the heart. So, or this one could be a nice one, the earth with some arrows could be a nice one too, but I like this one. So this one, let's reduce the size, and I want to move it out. I want to delete this. You can do that first, deleting before you go and grab the shape that you want there, or the photo. So this looks good. Size, I just want to grab, yeah, this looks good. I don't have to do anything. That looks good. This one looks good. This is the same font size. Okay, 32. How about this? 32. And like that color, we want to change this color for the main backend color. So we click on color here, and this is, you can get a new color, and I've used these colors before for the colors that I've used before here. And then we have the default colors if you want to change using the default colors. So I want to get a new color, and on maybe something that's a little bit blurry or dull, something like that. Yep, something like that. That looks good. So that's pretty basic. That's how to get a logo. You can play around with it, with everything. So you have the templates there, and you click on the text if you want to start. You can click on the text if you didn't have the text. So there's text there, and then there's something for background too if you want to change the background and all that. There's background here. So you have all the tools you need to create your logo for your business to start, and later you can always hire someone to design your logo. But to start, you don't have to pay a lot of money. This is free, and you can also use the free logo maker website to get a free one. And then so you click on download here. So the BNG is suggested, and you can choose. This is gonna be JPG, is a small file size image, so you can choose that too. And then you can choose to print if you want to print. So we'll keep the suggested BNG, and then the font size, the pixels is 500 by 500. If you choose here there's two options, transparent background, then they want you to sign up for a pro version that you can try for 30 days, and that means you're gonna put in your credit card or your debit card. And look at here, you see, try Canva Pro for free. I think I didn't need to do that, but I remember if you use the pro templates there, they can ask you to try for free, or if you pay, it's usually like $1 or $2. I think I bought one before. So then you click download, and then it's downloading. If you want to copy your referral link, you refer friends here, so you can get a link and refer friends. That's a good thing to do too. So because you know they're helping you to get a free uh, logo, it's good to refer them to. And then you can go and upload if it's your website or you set your drive or your. So guys, if you find that you don't want to make a logo yourself, so there are services out there that you can use. So if you go to fiverr.com, you can search for people who can do the logo for you professionally, and so I'll put the link in the description. You can check it out. You can create an account with them. That's fiverr.com. What I want to show you is before we go, you can go back to home here and you can get your YouTube channel. If you're creating a thumbnail, you can use it for YouTube thumbnail here. Another thing, important thing, you can do a Facebook post. What important thing I wanted to show you is the YouTube channel art. You know, the main art for your channel that shows when people open your home channel on the home, so it shows your channel art. So you can create your channel art here too, so it comes pretty handy. You can do anything really. You can do the infographic for your product if you're doing e-commerce. So but that's it guys. If you found value in the video, please can you smash that like button and do subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.